Okay, so here it is. Since it's winter time, I actually got my car in the shop. I usually have all this area with my tables and experiment stuff. So basically what we've got here, we've got two fluorescent tubes that I cut and cleaned. I got a 1-inch OD fluorescent tube and a 1.5-inch OD fluorescent tube. I only had one. This end is where I pull the vacuum, and I'm not sure if this is the mirror end or if this is the output end. No, that's the output end. This is my output end for the laser light, which is not collimated. The whole optical collimation stuff is in my optical drawer. So pull a vacuum, charge it full of CO2, and then I actually use this as an anode, and the one on the other side is the cathode. And then charge it up. On this side, you'll see the bolts here, is so I can take it off and adjust the mirror so that I get reflectivity back and forth. This side mirror is at, 75% reflectivity. This one was 100. So it goes back and forth, back and forth, back and forth until it lasers, and then it comes out the output coupler. Now, for the reason for the outside tube is because I generate a ton of heat when it gets up to lasing temperatures. So that's why you see the other tubes coming out, because I run water around it to cool it. Currently, I can't pull a big enough vacuum to keep the purified CO2 in it. I need to taint it with a little helium, actually. So what ends up happening is my mirror in there is actually a piece of a hard drive. This is regular hard drive, nice mirrored surface, but it's mirrored, it's aluminum with, since it's a hard drive, it's magnetic, so it's got iron on it. And since I can't pull a full vacuum, there's a little bit of oxygen left. And with the high voltage going through it, it creates ozone, or O3, which oxidizes the mirror. So that's why I got to change it all the time. So that, because as soon as the mirror's oxidized, then we have issues. We lose the output power. This was designed for about 300 watts for the power output that I've got. I actually got a measurement of about 120 watts when I first ran it. It rapidly dropped off of that, but still 120 watts. Probably enough to burn through, well, depending on the focal length or the focal point, burn through, I don't know, quite a bit of steel actually.